Dates. If dates are entered in a manner that Excel recognizes the date, then calculations can be made with these dates. For example, select C5 and go to Format Cells, go down to Number, and you'll see it generates a number, forget about the decimals, 41183. I'll explain what this number stands for. Select B1 and do the exact same thing for under number, and you'll see there is no number. In this example, the October has been entered in with an apostrophe, so it's actually not a number. That Excel doesn't recognize a number, so therefore it's text. In this example here, we've entered it the year, the backslash, the month, and the day, and it generates a number 41,883. This is the amount of days since the 1st of 1st, 1900. The 1st of 1st, 1900 was day 1. The 2nd of January, 1900 was day 2, and so on. So therefore, this date, 1st of October, is 41,183rd day since the 1st. Therefore, when we've entered these dates in these formats, we can create calculations. If we need to know what 30 days is from that date, we go equals that cell plus 30 and enter. And then we can copy it down. So the easiest way to enter a date to make sure that Excel accepts it as a date is to enter the year first, the backslash, the month, and the day.